Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll install 12mm wheel spacers for this Mercedes E Class. The lightweight plus of bonus wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing on sprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy 6061T6 or 7075T6, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Each of BONOSS products is engraved with the BONOSS or letter B, which means that these are manufactured by BONOSS' own factory. The quality of BONOSS products is guaranteed. The head of the extended wheel bolt has a 12-petal shape. This design is a proof of the super forging process, which can only be manufactured by a large turning machine for forging at one time. For more information about these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye!